Hello, I'm Mr. Wu, and I'll be your math teacher this semester. As you all know, we cannot return to the school building yet. We don't know when that will happen. In the meantime, we'll have online classes, but it will be different than last semester. We're going to meet Monday through Friday, except holidays. Here's the virtual learning schedule. If you're in my first period, I will see you from 8:30 to 9:30. If you're in my third period, I will see you from 12:20 to 1:20. If you're in my fourth period, I will see you from 1:30 to 2:30. I will contact you through school email, so please check your email Monday before the class starts. I will go over the syllabus on Monday. Please bring something to write with and something to write on. If you don't have school email yet, please email me at hiwonwoo@ccs.k12.nc.us. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you.